Hello everyone. As many of you may already know, DeepSafe has officially launched its Genesis Node NFT program. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process of purchasing a Guardian NFT, step by step, using the information provided in our public Gitbook documentation. Before we begin, we need to make sure we meet all the prerequisites. Let's take a look at what they are. Step 1. The issuance and acquisition of Guardian NFTs are based on a whitelist system. To get whitelisted, you'll need to contact an official DeepSafe team member and complete a short application form. Once your whitelist access is approved, you're ready to move on to the next step. Step 2, you'll need an EVM-compatible wallet. In this tutorial, I'll be using MetaMask as an example. Pay close attention here. It's crucial that you use a brand new wallet address that has never interacted with DeepSafe or any of its ecosystem partners before. Step 3. Connect your wallet to the BSC, Binance Smart Chain network. This is important because the Guardian NFT minting and all related smart contract operations are deployed on the BSC network. There's also a guide page that walks us through how to do this in detail. Let's go over it together. Step 1. Open your wallet and navigate to the network selection menu. Step 2. From the list of available networks, locate and add the BSC network. Step 3. Your wallet will prompt you to confirm the addition, select Approve. Step 4. After that, check whether your wallet is now connected to the BSC network. If the network didn't switch automatically, manually select BSC from the list. If you don't see BSC in the list, it likely means something went wrong in the previous step. Just repeat the process to try again. Back to our fourth prerequisite. Since we'll be interacting on the BSC network, you'll need to prepare some BNB in your wallet to cover gas fees for the upcoming transactions. Step 5. You'll need to have a sufficient amount of USD in your wallet to pay for the Guardian NFT. Make sure you're using the correct USDT contract address on the BSC network. The official team has provided the correct contract address. Be sure to double check against it before proceeding. Step 6. If you've already prepared USDT but it's not showing up in your wallet interface, you'll need to manually import the USDT token. As you can see here, my wallet currently only displays BNB, the native token on BSC. The official guide also includes a step-by-step page on how to import USDT. Step 1. After switching to the BSC network, select the Import Tokens option. Step 2. Paste the official USDT contract address provided by DeepSafe and confirm. Step 3. Check the box for Tether USDT and click Import. And there we go. USDT now appears in our wallet. Let me demonstrate this step in real time. Done successfully. As you can see, my wallet now displays both BNB and USDT. Let's move on to the final prerequisite. Step 7. You'll need to enter an activated invitation code to proceed with the next steps. I've identified two ways. First, you can use a link shared by someone else that already includes the invitation code. This will take you directly to the Guardian NFT page. Once there, connect your wallet and choose to sign in. When you connect your wallet, you'll be prompted to sign and authorize the action. Check that the request is indeed coming from the DeepSafe network and then click Confirm. Once completed, you'll be logged into the page with your wallet. Scroll down and you'll notice that my invitation code is still in the inactive status. According to the official rules, once an account holds at least one Guardian NFT, the invitation code will automatically activate. For now, let's leave that aside. Next, I'll switch to a different new account to demonstrate the second way to bind an invitation code. First, go to the official DeepSafe website. From the top navigation bar, locate the Genesis Nodes section and click on Guardian NFT from the drop-down menu to enter the secondary page. Just like before, start by connecting your wallet to the site. Once connected, a pop-up will appear indicating that your wallet hasn't yet bound an invitation code. This is where you can enter a valid invite code to unlock full access to the page and all its features. In this example, I'm using the publicly available Level 0 invitation code provided by the official team. If you know someone who has already joined DeepSafe and activated their invite code, feel free to use theirs instead. Once you complete your NFT purchase, they'll receive a bonus NFT as a referral reward. And don't forget, after your own code is activated, be sure to share it with others too. Now, let's move on to the actual purchasing process. First, I'll double check that my wallet contains a sufficient amount of both USDT and BNB to ensure the transaction proceeds smoothly. Clicking on Pay brings up a pop-up showing the details of this transaction. One important thing to verify here is the spender contract address. Make sure it matches the official DeepSafe contract address. Here we can see the contract address ends in E3228A, which I've confirmed is the correct one as listed on the official site. Returning to the purchase screen, I click Pay again. I also make sure all other details look correct, including the contract address. It's still the same one. I confirm the authorization to proceed to the next step. After the authorization is complete, my wallet prompts a new transaction. This one is the actual purchase of the Guardian NFT. Here it shows I'll be paying 15,000 USD to receive Guardian NFT number 0. Again, I verify that this transaction is coming from DeepSafe and that the contract address ends in 3228A. When it comes to asset security, there's no room for shortcuts. Just to be extra safe, I'll copy this contract address and paste it into the Gitbook search box to verify it once more. Everything checks out. Now I'll confirm the payment. Transaction complete. Very quickly, the page updates to reflect my newly acquired NFT asset. You can click on it to view the transaction on the BSC Explorer. Since the Guardian NFT is in video format, it may not display properly on the Blockchain Explorer, but no worries. Back on the purchase screen, it now appears perfectly. And as a final note, my invitation code, which was previously inactive, is now fully activated and displayed on the page. As you can see here, after one of my friends used my invitation code to purchase a Guardian NFT, a bonus NFT was automatically added to my wallet. I compared the bonus NFT contract address with the one published in DeepSafe's Gitbook, and it matches perfectly. With that, we've officially completed the entire Guardian NFT purchase process. Before we wrap up, I want to leave you with one final reminder. At every stage of this process, always double-check the contract addresses you're interacting with. There are 3 different smart contract addresses involved in the DeepSafe Genesis node campaign. First one, the Mint contract. This is where we approve the use of 15,000 USDT and execute the actual purchase transaction. And second, the Guardian NFT contract. After the purchase, this is the address that shows up when viewing your NFT on the BSC Explorer. Finally, the bonus NFT contract, when someone joins using your invitation and completes a purchase. This is the contract that issues your bonus NFT. Thanks for watching and good luck with your Guardian NFT journey.